Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This set of two Le Creuset stoneware dishes are a go-to in my kitchen. Of course, I love the quality and the look of Le Creuset, and to have the two sizes makes this set so versatile. They're great for things like casseroles and brownies. The 8x8 size is excellent for my family for cooking, and the smaller 4x4 is really nice to make personal sized meals or even little desserts. If you're making a little extra for a neighbor or a friend, this little size one works so well for that. They're easy to wash and to care for, and they store nicely together. This set of two Le Creuset stoneware dishes comes in so handy in our kitchen. I just love the quality, and that's my point of view.